Good morning, student. Now, next point we will see that is word problem. So, in other words, we can say that is application of formula for compound interest. Means here we have to use the formula of compound interest and we have to solve the word problem. Okay. Already you have studied. Many of the students they are sending that answers. Those who are sending their answers and whatever be the assignment completed, they will get full marks for the formative. Okay. Other students, as per the submission of assignment, they will get mark. So that is very important. You have to complete that assignment in a time. So application means what? We have to see that word problem. So first we will study to solve the example, and after that we will start the exercise. See now, first one. The population of city increases at compounding rate of 8% per year. Find the population in the year 2012. If population in the year 2010 was 2,50,000, means in 2010 it was 2 lakh, and we have to find what will be the population in 2012. Means what is the gap in between these 2 years? Means period is 2 years. This is rate percentage given, means this is the value of R. So we have to find here population. So what is the value of P here? P is this one, 2,50,000. See here. Then A population in 2012 we have to find what is it. Then rate 8%, period 2 years. So first one you have to find the value of A here. Okay. So that one is the directly answer we will get. We know the formula P into 1 plus R upon 100. Now here we cannot say P is the principal. Here what we have to say? Population, whatever be the given value. Okay. When that is given in the amount, then you can say that is in rupees or principal. So put that value here, this one 2,50,000 rate at 8 upon 100. So cross multiplication, denominator is 100 plus 8, 108 bracket square. So 2 times multiplication. After solving this 2 0 cut, this 2 0, this 2 0, this 2 0. Then product of 108 into 250. So it will come 2,91,600. So in the year that population was, this is 2,91,600. Okay. When it is increase. But one more example is a different type of in the this compound interest. If the value is decreased, then what? So one example we will see now. Rehana purchased a scooter in the year 2015 at rupees 60,000. If the value falls means decrease 20% every year, what will be the price of the scooter after 2 years? See, two types example. When increase, this is value of P. Okay, this is the value of R. This one is the value of N. Easily you can find. But when you will take the value of R, here what? It is false or decrease, then you have to take this value of R is negative. Okay, so this value of R is 20%, means 20 upon 100. When we will solve, this is 1 upon 5. That's why they taken directly here 1 upon 5. But it is here plus, but here decrease. That's why here you have to take minus. That is the difference. That is very important. Many of the students doing the mistake here. When the values given decrease or false, then here you have to take minus. When it is increase, then here you have to take plus. So here denominator is 1. 5 ones are 5. And here cross multiplication. 5 minus 1, it is 4. So 4 upon 5 bracket square. So 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 5. After solving, this answer come 38,400 rupees. Means the price of that scooter was after 2 years is what? 38,400. Okay, that value is decreased. When it is increased, then this value is more. Okay, that is very important. So now we will see the exercise of this one, practice set 14.2. See the first very important thing, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These examples are omitted this year only from your syllabus. Means here you have to solve this first, second, third, fourth and fifth. From that also I will solve first, fourth and fifth. Only second and third year you have to solve. So solve that and send it, because this is very important topic for the scholarship. I am not getting that answers, means your solutions from any student. that scholarship example also you have to do the study simultaneously along with this. Whatever be the assignment given, you have to complete it. So now first example on this compound interest we will see, that is word problem. So step by step we will write the value of this one, P L R A. Okay. By reading this one, and we have to write this value simultaneously. On the construction work of a flyover bridge, there were 320 workers. Means this one initially, this one means this is the value of P. The number of workers increase. Increase means here you have to take R plus. At what percent? 25%. Every year. Find the number of workers after 2 years. So you have to find the value of A. So we know the formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. Put the value. P is what? 320. 1 plus R is what? 25 upon 100 raised to N is 2. So you can divide if division possible. Okay, 25 ones are 25 fours are 320. So here no denominator means 1. 4 ones are 4. Here cross multiplication 4 plus 1. Here 5 upon 4 bracket square. This one understood or not? This is 1 upon 4 now. It is simplest form. So 4 ones are 4 is the LCM. Then cross multiplication. 4 ones are 4 plus 1 ones are 1. 4 plus 1 5. So now this is bracket square. So write 2 times. 4 ones are 4. 4 eights are 32. This 0 as it is. Again 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. This 0 as it is. So what it? 20 multiply. 5 fives are 25. So this 0 as it is. 25 twos are 50. So what is this 50? This is workers after 2 years. So here we have to find, therefore the number of workers after 2 years will be what? 500. This is answer. You have to write this answer. Word problem is there now. So you have to write the answer in word only. So we'll see second example. Again here you have to write what is given thing. P, L, R and A. We have to use this formula, same formula. The cost price of a machine is 2,50,000 rupees or whatever be, that is not given, but that is in rupees. After the rate of depreciation means decrease. Okay, so here you have to take minus value. This is rate is 10%. Find the depreciation price of the machine after 2 years. So amount we have to find. See now here depreciation means this value, here you have to take minus. So formula first you have to write. Formula having the mark, write the formula every time. R upon 100 raised to N. So P is 2,50,000. 1 plus R is what is 10%. But this is minus. Okay. Raised to 2. This 0 cut. So 2,50,000. So 1 minus here 1 upon 10 remain bracket square. So 2,50,000 into 10, here denominator is 10. 10 ones are 10 minus 1 9 means 9 upon 10. 2 times here you have to write this 10 10 10 cut. Okay, 2,500 multiply 9 nines are 81. Okay, so these 2 zeros as it is, we have to multiply by 25. 25 ones are 25. 2 is here. 25 eights are 200. So addition of this one 202. So 202. So what is there? The price of that machine after 2 years is 2,02,500. Before that 2,50,000. Depreciation now decrease. So that price is decreased. Therefore the price of machine after 2 years will be what it rupees, or rupees not given, but if we write rupees no problem, 2 lakh 2,500. This is the answer. So one more last fifth one example we will see from this. So that is very important. You have to read that example properly. Increase, then take R value plus. If decrease, depreciation, false, that is, or less, then you have to take R is minus. So one more example we will see. Given P is equal to what? L is equal to, R is equal to, and A is equal to what? Find the compound interest if the amount, now here amount is given. Amount, a certain principal after 2 years, here 2 years is rupees. Amount is given rupees 4036.80. Rate is 60 PCPA. So what you have to find? Compound interest, means compound interest also you have to find, and using this value first you have to find principal. So use the formula. Here amount is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 raised to N. So put the value. A is what? 4036.80. P we don't know. 1 plus R 16 upon 100 raised to 2. So P, here LCM, suppose 4 4s are 16, 4 25s are. So 25 as it is. So LCM 25 ones are 25 plus this one 29, bracket square. So now this one square, now we want P value. So this one 4036.80 as it is, multiply. Inverse of this one come 25 upon 29 and 25 upon 29, 2 times, because bracket square is here. So P is equal to this one 4036.80 multiply by 25 25 625. This is 841. So this one you have to solve by calculation. After solving this one, product of these two here you have to take, and then you have to divide this value. So here we can do the rough work or whatever be. So you will get the answer directly. So here the solution of this example you have to find. Can you find that answer of this one? Just do the multiplication, addition, subtraction. Can you do this? If not, then we'll see how to solve this one. So by 29 also you can divide or multiply it. So already I have done the rough calculation. So it is the solving of this one, you will get answer is 3000. Okay, you can divide this one, or taking the product of this divide by 841, the value come 3000. So this is the value of P. Okay, principal amount. But what now we have to find? Compound interest. You know the compound interest is what? Amount minus principal. In last exercise already you have solved. Amount is what? 4036.80, and principal is, suppose we will write vertically 3000. Here no point, means 0 0. So this point 80 as it is. Here 6, here 3, 0, 4 minus 3, 1. So your answer is compound interest is what? Rupees 1036.80. This is the answer. We have to find two values. P already we found. Then after finding P, then we can find compound interest by this formula. So study this example and try to solve that. So example number 2 and 3 from the practice set 14.2. Okay, thank you.